Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E at night. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant crucial for skin health. Applying it before bed allows your skin to absorb its benefits deeply, supporting natural repair cycles. This nightly routine can significantly improve skin texture, reduce inflammation, and protect against environmental damage, leaving your skin looking refreshed and revitalized by morning. To apply vitamin E oil, first ensure your face is clean and dry. Dispense a small amount, typically 2 to 3 drops, onto your fingertips. Gently warm the oil between your palms, then massage it evenly across your face and neck. Focus on areas needing extra attention, like under the eyes or around the mouth. Allow it to absorb fully before resting. Vitamin E pairs well with many nighttime products. For best results, apply it after lighter serums but before your heavier night cream to lock in moisture. It complements ingredients like hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, boosting their effects. However, avoid combining it directly with strong exfoliating acids to prevent potential irritation. Always introduce new products gradually. While generally safe, pure vitamin E oil can be quite viscous. If it feels too heavy, consider diluting it with a lighter carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil. Always perform a patch test first to check for any sensitivities. If you notice any adverse reactions such as redness or itching, stop using it immediately. Remember to check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.